Show us number 5, King. Where's number 5?
Okay, so I saw this on Instagram the other day, and it's super cute, but also a masterclass in building inclusive and responsive learning communities. Let's break this video down and see exactly what's going on.
Show us 5. Where's 5?
So this starts with some number recognition. This exercise allows students to establish baseline familiarity with symbols of numeracy, a rehearsal in the ability to see and associate written symbols with numerical quantities. But what's also obvious is that the teacher is actively facilitating a meaningful sense of community in the context of learning mathematics. They aren't just learning math here, they're learning how to be a math learning community.
Show us 5. Where's 5?
If you listen closely, you can hear the chatter among the students, several supportively echoing the teacher's requests, but none attempt to solve this problem for King. Listen carefully.
Show us 5. Where's 5? Show us 5. Where's 5?
And then our friend in the blue shirt with the word polo emblazoned across the chest immediately erupts into an exuberant celebratory.
Hold it up. All right, clap for King.
Now, for those who don't know, this is a particularly Black cultural mode of celebration. I can assure you that this child learned this by watching his elders show their enthusiasm in what he perceives as similar celebratory occasions. When we Black people celebrate the accomplishments of our peers, we tend to do so with bursts of joyful expression.
Hold it up. All right, clap for King.
The teacher only momentarily pauses in recognition of this expression given its abruptness, because Blue Polo Shirt Kid was otherwise sitting, quietly engaged, before he seemed to recognize that this was an appropriate moment to follow the teacher's request in supporting his peer by clapping for King, an expectation of the learning community.
Hold it up. All right, clap for King.
And then notice how the others in the circle follow accordingly, while Blue Polo Shirt Kid calmly resumes in waiting for the next task.
Clap for King. All right, King, show us number 1.
Then, when King correctly identifies the number 1, Blue Polo Shirt Kid again celebrates, but this time with a hearty,
all right, clap for King. Clap for
a term of endearment and inclusion, as if to reinforce that the effort and attitudes demonstrated in this moment are the behavioral substance of their bond. In effect, saying that his friend's willingness and ability to correctly identify the number 1 is evidence of their relationship, after which he again calmly resumes to wait for the next task.
Clap for King. Clap for Okay, King. King, show us number 2. Number 2, King.
Finally, and this is indeed the grand finale, King correctly picks out the very tricky number 2, and his friend offers affirmation with a boisterous,
all right, clap for King.
And an impassioned fist bump to punctuate the endorsement. This is a cute video, but it's also very much a masterpiece illustration of an inclusive and engaging learning community. These students' identities as mathematics learners are being individually developed in the context of a vibrant and supportive community of others, where the expectation is that we clap for each other as an indication of our own engagement. And each learner is invited to bring into the learning community the mannerisms and modes of expression used to similarly celebrate according to their home cultural codes. Kudos to the teachers and the kiddos, and let's hope we can all recognize that this kind of energy is not exclusive to early childhood classrooms. Rather, these principles can be introduced and encouraged in learning environments pre-K to 12th grade. The question we teachers can all ask ourselves is, what might this same energy look like in my classroom?
Hold it up.
There are 2 morals to this story. The first is, community supports engaged learning, and second, we all need a friend like Blue Polo Shirt Kid.
Clap for